अगला स्टेशन सिजजी है।
The next station is Syzygy.
That guy's such a character. Who acts like that, dude?
Relax, dude. At least you had an interesting day.
Wait, why? How was your day?
Don't even get me started, dude. It's been a fucking mess.
Chill, yaar. We'll go out tonight.
Sounds great. Let's just get the hell out. Where's Ayush though?
Oh wait, there he is.
बस बहुत हो गया यार. I quit. Guys, I quit.
क्या हो गया?
You know the whole first year भूल जाओ. Second year will be our year. And इस साल तो माई चोदेंगे. It's all bullshit, man.
आज फिर से किसी ने टॉयलेट में फ्लश नहीं किया क्या बेंचोद? तुझे कितने बार बोला है वॉल से पहला वाला स्टॉल मत यूज कर. यूज द सेकंड वन.
सेकंड वाले का जेट खराब है.
ओके, देन द थर्ड वन. फाइन, नॉट द थर्ड वन देन. एक सेकंड, फिर तू कहाँ हकता है?
मेस में.
I've had it, man. I've been dealing with this shit for too long now.
अभी कुछ बोलेगा भी, हुआ क्या?
So, Sam की पहली लैब थी, right? And I tried to show up with the whole positivity thing. I thought, cool. ये साल तो माँ चोदने वाले हैं. But then I noticed my lab partner Tarini. She's giving me the looks, just like in the movies.
Sounds made up.
Dude, will you let me finish my story?
तू पहले सच सच बता.
Okay, fine. She gave me a hint of a smile.
That's more like it.
Okay, whatever. But then she comes over to me and says, "Hey, name? Name?"
हैं?
She asked me for my fucking name to fill some record or some shit. As if I knew.
तेरा पॉइंट क्या है?
This chick sat behind me for an entire year and she doesn't even know my name. All of this got me thinking, you know. Has everything I've done in the last year amounted to absolutely nothing? It's like I'm fucking invisible.
यार तुझे नहीं लगता तू थोड़ा ओवर रिएक्ट कर रहा है? I mean, इतनी छोटी सी बात है. I'm sure it's not that bad.
Maybe. Anyway, तू बता. How was your day like?
Me? I think it went great. Today in class, the prof asked who remembers C programming, and a bunch of kids raised their hand, and I was one of them.
I think we need to have a discussion on when to use the word great.
But really, how was your day, Nox?
वही यार, same old. थोड़ा basic but mostly short. For starters, I only had 2 classes today, and उसमें भी I missed the first one. And in the second one, instead of actually giving a fucking class, I was trying to memorize the lyrics of Love Dose by Honey Singh. And उसमें भी I completely forgot the second stanza.
Wow. तो क्लास में इनविजिबल होना, क्लास में हाथ उठाना और मेरे लिए पैक कर रोटी और भिंडी के आगे के 2 लाइन भूल जाना. What a great way to start the semester, right?
First of all, Roti the Bhindi is Desi Kalakar, not Love Dose. Second of all,
Secondly.
Huh?
It's secondly, not second of all.
and secondly, I don't get what the big deal is. We had a bad day, okay. It's not like पिछले समय बहुत मचा रहे थे. Do you guys not get it? We're not the main characters or anything. अबे तूने कभी GTA खेली है?
हाँ, थोड़ी बहुत.
हाँ, तो उसमें वो characters होते हैं ना जो बस साइड में घूम रहे होते हैं who don't serve any purpose to the story.
You mean the NPCs?
Yes, exactly. The NPCs, non-playable characters who just exist. हम NPC है बहनचोद.
Really?
Yeah, man, think about it. We're not cool, we're not popular, and clearly we're not geniuses.
You know, funny you say that. Like, recently I was watching this Jim Carrey movie where he gets trapped inside a reality show.
Truman Show.
हाँ वही. And it just made me wonder कि अगर मेरी life was some reality show जिसको कोई audience बाहर से देख रही होती, that'd be a fucking boring show. Like honestly, I don't think it would be cool enough to get anyone glued to the screen. Like, वो अब देखते हैं खन्ना के life में क्या चल रहा है.
And doesn't that concern you?
Of what?
I don't know. Some serious issue maybe?
Are you saying I'm depressed?
No, we can't say that. उसके लिए टेस्ट कराना पड़ेगा.
कौन सा test?
Depression diagnostic test.
Really? A test? So like, what if I pass? That's it. I'm depressed.
I mean, there's a variety of factors that go into it, but yeah, the test is also one of them.
Okay, so like, what if I try to sabotage? Or wait, technically, ace the test. Then I'm depressed.
I don't know तू क्या कहना चाह रहा है, but hypothetically अगर तू रट्टा लगा के जाएगा तो हाँ, it's possible. You might be depressed.
चलो for a change कोई तो test positive आ जाए.
Seriously guys, can we not make fun of depression? Please.
Hey, we're just being curious, okay? And so थोड़ा सा time pass. तो तू भी तो तब से बकवास किए जा रहा है.
Look, all I'm saying is that this, all of this, don't you guys think it's a very shitty way to live?
Yeah, maybe. I guess. I mean, obviously it is, but it's not like हम कुछ कर सकते इसके बारे में.
This is insane, yaar. Maybe things should be different. This year has to be our year. We have to do something, anything.
क्या बोल रहा है?
I don't know, man. Literally एक और साल बस ये बोरिंग दाल चावल खा के और तुम्हारी शक्लें देख के नहीं बिता सकता मैं बस. I don't want to be like Tejas.
What?
I don't want to be an NPC.
What do you suggest?
I don't know, man. Why do we keep doing the same shit every day? Like, why am I having the same dal every day?
It's not the same dal every day. Monday को तूर दाल, Tuesday को मूंग दाल, and
The
Wednesday.
dal is not the fucking point, Khanna.
No, I get it. We need a change. Something to elevate our personalities that can cause some sort of an effect in our social lives.
Yes, that.
I have it. We need a thing.
What thing?
You know, a thing that makes people go, that's Khanna, that's his thing.
We need a thing.
अब ये thing कहाँ से लाऊं मैं?
Yes. Finding a thing can be difficult. We need something just cool enough to make us stand out, but not something so far off that it makes us look weird. You don't want to be the next Varun.
Varun who? Varun the idiot?
Is that the one with the funny mustache?
Nah, that's Varun the drummer. Varun the idiot's the one who tripped on the water cooler.
Oh yeah, right. What an idiot.
I'm talking about Varun Singh, guys.
Why? What did he do?
So Varun Singh started uploading heavy volumes of pornography on the college land, which made him quite popular amongst the kids for a short while until one fine day, he made his private folder public.
उसमें क्या था? Oh man.
Really? God, not Varun Singh, man. उसकी मम्मी को तो नमस्ते बोला था मैंने.
Bro, tell me about it. Every time I shake his hands, I can't help but think उसका कौन सा हाथ, कौन से laptop को, I cannot.
ऐसी thing से अच्छा तो nothing ही ठीक है.
You're right. Finding a thing can take time. Days, weeks, even years.
Years? Really?
Yeah, man. I mean, you could pass out of college one day, realize that, damn, I should have dyed my hair blue. Do you guys think I should dye my hair blue?
Is that random, really? I mean, I wouldn't even know where to get started. Like, किसी sport में अच्छा नहीं हूँ, पढ़ाई में just average हूँ, and ऊपर से मेरा कोई passion भी नहीं है. And talking about us as a team, we can't even solve a bloody jigsaw puzzle together. एक mediocre सा startup idea आया था first year में, वो भी आधा अधूरा छोड़ दिया. साला कुछ भी ढंग से execute नहीं कर सकते हम.
Excuse me? Pujari.ai will change the world, mark my words. And yeah, I mean, we're just not the right people, I guess.
You know what? Fuck it. Let's just accept that we are losers. And this year's gonna be no different than the previous one. So maybe instead of hoping for something to change, maybe we should just... Kanna, what the hell are you doing?
I think that guy was staring at our table and then he just arrogantly rolled his eyes the moment that girl walked in.
Dude, that's Tarini, my lab partner.
No way.
Not bad.
Anyway, ignore it. Actually, you know what? Let's not ignore it. We always do that. If we really want this year to be different, we have to do something right here, right now.
Why here?
Because it's the mess, man. The mess is sacred. We're not fooling anyone here. If we win in here, we'll win out there.
हाँ बेंचो, I'm in.
So what do you suggest we do? Just pick a fight. And on what grounds? Looking and then not looking. तुम लोग जो बोल रहे हो तुम्हारे कानों में जा रहा है?
We don't have to have a proper fight.
हाँ यार, let's not have a fight. I think I slept on my hand yesterday and it's still kind of paining.
So what do you suggest we do? ये पानी फेंक दे उस पे?
Obviously not. I meant
Why
like...
not? I'm game.
Really? Is there even a point? You know what? Fuck it. करते हैं. I'm with you. Nox?
What? No. This is so stupid. बहनचोद हमारे कॉन्वर्सेशन का ये कंक्लूजन कैसे निकल रहा है? भाई देखो एनपीसी वाली बात में ऐसे ही बोल रहा था. पानी फेंकने से थोड़ा ना कोई मेन कैरेक्टर बन जाए.
चलना फट्टू साले, अब कहाँ गया तेरा थिंग?
Fuck. Shit. Okay. करते हैं I guess.
Cool, so here's the plan. हम वहाँ तक जाएंगे, discreetly अपना ऑपरेशन एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे, and then we'll just walk past like nothing's happened. Casual.
Casual.
अबे भैंचोद
Shit. Sorry.
First of all, if someone asks, we don't know it. Secondly, you still want to think?
Nope. Absolutely not. Being an NPC is not such a bad thing after all.